Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Russian President Vladimir Putin arrived in India on December 6, 2021, and this visit means a lot for the world politics. As per the comments which came from Putin, Russia perceives India as a great power, a friendly nation, and a time tested friend. The relations between Russia and India are growing and looking into the future. In this video, we will quickly see what all happened and what were the discussion during the visit of Russian president. During Russian president visit to India, both countries signed a deal to produce the Kalashnikov automatic rifles in India. And Russia hopes to supply India with more S-400 missile systems within the deal's option. Even for the first batch of 5 S-400 missile system itself, we are not still clear if the US will give the exception from CAATSA sanctions or not. And now if India goes for another set of deals for the same S-400 or S-500 missile systems, not sure how the United States is going to react. As per the defense sources, Russia has begun deliveries of its long-range S-400 ground-to-air missile defense system, and supplies have begun this month and it will continue to happen. According to me, India should try to maintain a balancing relationship with both the United States and Russia. Another great decision which was taken during this particular visit is about the humanitarian assistance to the Afghan people. Both India and Russia underlined that the Afghan soil should not be used for sheltering or training or planning or financing any terrorist groups, and decided to provide immediate humanitarian assistance to the Afghan people. Both Russia and India strongly condemn terrorism in all forms and manifestations. They also urge the international community to intensify the cooperation against the terrorism. This includes stopping of terror financing, the weapon and drug trafficking, radicalization, and illegal use of information and communication technology. Even in one of my previous videos, I provided information regarding the deployment of 30 T-72B3M upgraded tanks by Russia in its military base in Tajikistan, since they wanted to make sure all possible steps are taken to increase its footprint in that particular region to avoid any future risk due to Taliban. In addition to the above discussions, the Russian President and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi agreed to take forward ongoing engagements to encourage the joint manufacturing in India for the spare parts, components, aggregates, and other products for the maintenance of Russian origin weapons. And this is going to happen under the Make in India program. The Russian president also invited Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to visit Russia in 2022 to participate in the annual Russian-India Summit. So that was a quick and a small video encapsulating all the details which were shared and discussed during the recent visit of Russian President to India on December 6, 2021. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.